Hey everybody!
Hey.
This is my husband.
Yeah.
I always like to introduce you because you're the best.
Whatever.
But every time we do videos together, it's always like trying out snacks. So
Or something.
yeah.
Oh yeah, don't mind the mustache. It's serious.
I just spit everything. I think boogers came out.
Ew. No, you're good.
Oh, okay. Yeah. It's No Shave November.
Yep.
You have
got a bet.
challenge.
I'm winning. I
with his
think
friends.
probably.
Yeah.
It's awful. Okay.
He's definitely winning. Okay, so today we're doing TRYTREATS unboxing. I love TRYTREATS just because you get a whole bunch of snacks from all over the world. This particular box is Brazil because I already looked, but I didn't try anything. But I'm going to show you guys the price. What is the price point?
I have no idea.
So the standard box is $13.95 a month with 5 plus international snacks, and then this one is $25.95 a month with 10 plus international snacks. So yeah, show them the box.
Oh, yeah. There you go. Well, I can't see. There you go. Over
So it was nicely packaged and everything, but I
here. Rummaged through it.
yeah.
Trying to find some stuff. With that one.
Yeah, it comes with a little pamphlet. It tells you everything that's on it. This is Brazil.
Technically. It kind of does.
They gave me a little note, and then it comes with a little postcard, and then Explore Brazil, and it gives you like just, Brazil facts, the population, the language, the landmass, the capital. Oh, that's cool. Like,
That's neat.
that is cool. And then a postcard.
What? Anna?
What?
Oh, you mean what? Look at that.
What?
Look, it's open. Anna? You're such a butthole. It's chocolate, dude, that's why.
Yeah.
Is it any good?
It's so good. I'm trying not to eat the whole thing.
I was like,
I had like
what
one per
happened?
day.
No,
Yeah.
you have not.
It was like 3 of them.
Oh my god.
You know when you were in the bathroom and I was in here like this was like yesterday or a couple days ago and I was rummaging through it and you're like, what are you doing? Because you heard the boxes.
Oh yeah.
And I was like cleaning up. I was eating a piece of chocolate. Well, let's go ahead and try this.
Oh, we'll try it now, huh?
You want to show them what it is?
Oh yeah, I think if you tore into it. Okay, there you go.
Yeah, there you go. It has
I don't
to
have
focus.
any idea what the name of that. I have
Okay,
to
so
say
that
it.
one is. Oh gosh, you want to try it
Talento?
now? Talento. It's really good.
When you open it, it's like stale now.
No, I
Totally
don't.
your fault.
It's a white chocolate bar that melts in your mouth combined with a crunchy dulce de leche texture. The combination is white chocolate, dulce de leche out of this world, and guarantee you'll find yourself craving more. Isn't it good? Do you like it? It's white chocolate.
I'm not a huge fan of white chocolate. Oh wow. Okay.
Right?
That's
Isn't
pretty
that good? Like, this is what it looks like.
There it goes. Yeah, that's actually dude. Go
Isn't
away.
that
Get out.
good?
Go. Get out. Yeah, go.
Our dog's underneath us trying to catch all the food we're eating.
Because I'm really messy eating. So. Oh yeah, this is that the one that said it was like good for.
Football?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Why does that look like meat?
It's probably meat flavored.
Okay, there you go.
That one is.
Oh.
We tried to look up the description for what that's called, and the description says Brazilians are known to be big football fans, and these chips are great football snacks. I was like, I can't.
That describes so much flavor.
Yeah. Very plain.
That's what they look like. Oh.
Oh yeah. You can have that one.
That's weird. Oh, apparently I dropped one.
Our
Dog
dog's
found it. Okay, so. And
And
it does meat again.
a tasty snack for hours of fun, premium ingredients, crispiness, distinct ham flavor. What's this? Can you smell that?
No, I'm just kidding. Trying to smell it through the bag. Oh. Okay, don't take a big whiff. Okay, take a big whiff. Do it. Do it.
Oh,
I know.
it smells like dog treats. It smells like dog treats.
It looks neat. Definitely doesn't look like dog treats.
No. Oh, they're like
Thankfully.
little poppers.
Yeah.
Oh, that's exactly what it said, though.
That's
I kind
weird.
of like it.
It's almost like you're like a beef jerky chip.
Mm-hmm.
Or something. That's actually not bad.
Yeah. Oh, you can
That's
keep eating
unique.
it. And it's, yeah. So this is a famous Brazil snack that you can find in every corner.
Oh, yeah.
It looks like.
Whoa. That one is...
Do you want some water?
Yeah.
I don't need water.
I don't know, like a handful? I ate like a handful of them.
Mm-hmm.
And it was pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah. I got more salty than that weird meat flavor. Alright, well, I guess we're going to this one now.
What was that one again?
Well, I don't know. It says banana something. Banana cremoso. Weird. I don't know. It looks unique. Right at the very end.
The banana.
Yeah.
That's unique.
That's neat. It's like a...
Oh, I got the banana.
I told you. It's like right at the end.
Yeah. That's actually good.
It's neat.
This one is a blend of tropical flavor
go.
with amazing combination of milk chocolate and banana filling.
Oh, it's all chocolate stuff.
Oh, yeah.
That's definitely chocolate.
Yeah, that one is just banana with sugar.
Oh, that's some dark chocolate too. You gotta eat it.
I have the banana flavor. Okay, no.
I don't like it.
I like it.
It's like a...
Oh, I really like it.
Really?
Mhm.
Okay, you can have it.
I like that one.
Wow, that's weird. Oh, sorry.
This is the white chocolate, cashew nuts, and white chocolate. Ooh, I don't know if I'm gonna like that because it has.
Ooh, nuts. I like nuts.
I don't.
That sounded awkward.
Yes, it is.
It's one solid piece. I thought it would be like Pez or something. Oh.
Oh. I don't see any cashew.
No. I think it got...
Try blended in it.
I can't really taste anything.
Just white chocolate.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's good though. I like it.
Oh, the end of it. I could taste it better with it. The very end.
Oh.
SCHOLL Cheeto.
Chewy fudge with rice crisp.
Oh, it's like Rice Krispies.
Yeah.
But,
Nestle, but made by Nestle. Oh, show them what the inside of it looks like.
Oh, not that you can see that.
Yeah, right?
But, yeah. I mean, it just tastes like a candy. I mean,
It's not like German chocolate or anything like that. But
it's
still
good. Oh, yeah, sorry. I don't know what this is.
One of Brazilian's best-selling bonbons.
Oh.
Thin wafers with 2 layers of chocolate flavor, filled with irresistible cashew cream.
That's gonna be.
Just feed it to me. It just doesn't have that flavor of chocolate.
It's not like, at first you're like, where's the flavor? And then after a minute, you get the flavor.
Ooh, I don't like it.
You know?
I can taste the cashew
Yeah.
or something.
Yeah, that's unique.
Oats, cereal, and whole milk, and chocolate flavor drops. That looks good.
It does look good. I hope it is.
Me too.
Ah, there we go. Why does it look like it had like something you could do? Oh, look.
Oh, it does.
If I spoke Spanish, it probably says open or something right here on the side.
He tore into the
Yep,
bag.
totally did it. Messed it up.
There's
I was all looking for something like this and yep, there it goes. That would have been perfect. Oh.
Oh, these are cute. Like little prints on them.
Yep. Well, there you go. That does look cute. If you can see it. Did you eat the whole thing? Don't even try it. Just down it. Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's good. The cookies are the shortbread. Buttery.
Oh, it's super good, actually. Oh, that is good. Oh boy. but you can have it. Maybe it'll cut down on your s'mores eating.
Maybe, right? But anyways.
I have lunch stuff on my teeth.
No. What would you say?
I said, do I have a bunch of stuff on my teeth?
No. Unless you have a bunch of stuff on your mustache. You don't.
A flavor saver. That's awful.
Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We thought it was pretty fun just to try different boxes. Definitely not one of our favorites because we've tried 3 different boxes.
Really?
Yeah. We just didn't film the second one that they sent to us.
Yep.
Yeah. But the first one was a Germany box, which was good.
Yeah,
it was
the
full of
chocolate.
sweets.
Oh, it's chocolate.
And then the second box, I honestly think that they gave us a Brazil box for the second box too. And then the third one, we got the Brazil. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to share, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for being in my video with me.
Oh.
You're awesome. Bye, guys.
See ya.